Hey guys, welcome to Blogging Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to download and install the YouTube Kids on your Android device. And let's start right in. Now, to download and install the YouTube Kids app on your Android device, first open up the Play Store on your device like this. And after opening the Play Store, tap on the search bar and type YouTube Kids like this and tap on search. And you can see, guys, there is the YouTube Kids app option available over here. Tap on install, and then the YouTube Kids app will be momentarily be installed on your device. And there, guys, this is how you download and install the YouTube Kids on your Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, guys. And you can see it has been installing, and it will be installed in a moment. And peace.